Hey guys, Jonathan here. We're going to do a quick unboxing of the 190HDV Manfrotto tripod with 701 HDV Pro Fluid Video Mini Head. Sounds kind of hard to say, but I mean, got it on Amazon and it's came with a package deal, a couple $100 for Christmas. I'm really excited about it. Let's take a look at it. Got the Manfrotto box right here. Comes in two separate pieces, so probably going to be a little assembly required. This box out of the way. Let's get in it. Got some manuals. So if you're serious about high quality video, Manfrotto is the way to go. You could see real smooth. High quality shots right there, guys. Doesn't get any better. Some plastic. Read the manuals later. Like I said, they say assembly required, but it doesn't look so hard. Right here we got the Manfrotto 190HDV tripod. Okay. It's another manual. Get into that later. There it is. Has the wing knobs, secure locking. It's pretty basic. Unscrew these right there, just like that. And you're ready to go. Highly suggested. Manfrotto. Amazon.com. Check it out. I'm going to be posting some sample videos, so look out for those. And I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching.